Hello sweepers, in this video I will explain how you can solve the problem of alpha pack error in the most easiest step. In last, I will open the pack in front of you, so please watch till end. So let's begin. To solve this problem, firstly open the file manager in your PC. Now click on the documents. Now click on the my games. Now click on the stage. Click on this and again click on this. Now setting option will be open. Now simply click on the my window and go to the geo and enter here 2 followers. Simple click here 2. Okay friends, delete the 0 and enter here 2. Now save this option. Now go back to your file manager, click on this PC. Now simple click on the volume do where your program file be saved of the game. Now click on program file. Now click on Steam. Now click on the stamp. Now click on the first option. Now go to the game. Now scroll down and go to the end option. Now click on this view as task manager. Now click on the compatibility. Now enter here tick and click on the Windows 7. Now click again on this. Now simple click on apply and OK. Now open the player where you play the game and go to the library and select the property of this game, last option. Now click on the and click again the last option. This will be the game will refresh by click on this. Okay friends, now simple go to the setting option of your PC. Now update your window first if it's available and restart your PC after update. Okay, now open the task manager. Now simple click on end all the software which is not working while you play the game. Okay friends, simply end the task the software which is not working while playing the game. Now I will show you live proof by opening my pack. Click on this. What I get champion. If you like my video, so please click on like, subscribe and click on the bell icon, and please comment your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanity.